check out this makeup storage with LED mirror made by Niceland. Beautiful construction, strong, sturdy box that it comes in. Nice gold accented zipper, even with the carrying handle. But what is inside is probably more important. So let's open this up. Now, if you have any family members, like lots of girls, maybe they need that mirror time, or maybe you belong to a team, volleyball, cheer, dance, softball, whatever it is that you need more mirror time than others, this is a great traveling kit for you. Now, this is a chargeable LED. I'm going to do my best not to blind you because it is super bright, but it's got a nice bright mirror that comes with it. Trying to get that so it doesn't do a glare on there, but nice bright mirror. You can change the ambiance onto it, so I like this little bit softer gold to it. And then of course just one that's like in between, simple touch. You just tap and tap and then it turns on and off. I really like that this mirror has the charge cord already attached to it. So meaning you can't lose the cord because it stays with your mirror. And it is a USB charge, so it's pretty simple. I've been using it for just about a week, about 10-15 minutes a day, and it's still holding a charge. So I don't know how long that charge is going to last, but gosh, super bright light, perfect to doing your makeup, your nails, anything that you need just a little extra light to. So fantastic. I really like it. Now, this makeup kit comes with extras. So inside you also have a brush holder. I just popped in my chapstick, but it has a nice little cover flap so you can line up all of your brushes, your mascara, your eyeliners, and with this cover over the top of it, most of our brushes kind of have just like a little bit of a residue left into them. So the cover definitely helps protect the rest of the case. But there's more. Hang on, there's lots more to this case. This case has dividers. I'm going to flip that mirror over. So dividers to keep everything in its own spot, whether that's glitter bombs or eyeliner or eyeshadow or foundation, whatever you want. But these spots are adjustable. And so you can make your spot bigger or smaller, just depending on what it is that you need. One of the things I really like about this is you can pop this out. So in case you have a makeup disaster spill, you can pop it out, rinse it off, and then put it right back in, and you are good to go. So check out this makeup kit. I think it's fantastic. I was thinking about for like maybe a bridal shower, if you know any brides that are getting married and they want to give it to their bridal party the day that they get ready together for the big day. This would be great. It's travel, it's easy, accessible. It does have these little adjustable sides, so you can put it just about anywhere that you want and have a great mirror. So fantastic. It's made by Niceland, and I strongly recommend